Hello and welcome to the 7th Wall Reinforcement Getting Started video. In this session, we will explore the implementation of additional reinforcement for walls. Let's navigate to the Additional Reinforcement tab. This feature allows you to place U, L, O, and straight bar shapes at selected wall faces, which may be horizontal or vertical. Once you add a new item, two rows are placed in the configuration window. In the first row, we choose face position. Under the minimum and maximum search distance tab, you place the limits of cuts on wall edges. The minimum distance restriction prevents placing bars at the top and bottom of the wall, while the maximum distance constraint restricts the placement of bars in deeper cuts. For example, if we have a wall with cuts as in the image, and we set the searching distance from 100 to 800, then bars will be created only at the place where a cut meets the requirements. In the Bar Shape tab, you have several bar shape options, such as O-shape, U-shape, U-shape 90, L-shape, straight, and straight 90, where 90 means that the bar is rotated by 90 degrees. All rebar shapes can be placed within the wall or can be extended from the selected wall face. Then we choose rebar type. To comprehend bar length, extend distance, anchorage length, and edge cover, please refer to the images in the configuration window. Interior or exterior cover is a distance from the selected side of the wall layer. Note that for L and straight bar shapes you can select one of the cover options. For example, when a distance is specified in the Exterior Cover tab, this will affect the direction of hooks for those bars. Flip option is available only for U-shape 90 and L-shape bars. If option is turned on, then rebar direction will be turned over. If bar end will intersect with another boundary of the wall, and cover will be used as an offset from it. Rebar plane reference defines a plane which will be used to set a distance from the edge. In the second row, we defined layout rule for horizontal or vertical faces. Under Spacing tab, you define distance between bars. Start-end offset is a distance from the start-end of wall edge. Wall cover is available only for U and O shapes. If this option is turned on, then cover settings will be calculated from wall sides, not from wall layer side. Create O stirrup is available for U shape only. If there is no space to place rebar of a defined length, then an O-shaped bar will be created instead of a U-shaped bar. Delete if no space option is available for U and O shapes only. If there is no space to place rebar of defined length, rebar will be deleted. Rebar hook type option allows to select a hook type that is available in your project. Hook position is available only for O shape. The hook can be set to one of the four corners of the stirrup. In the upcoming video, we will demonstrate how to include fabric sheet reinforcement. Thank you for your attention. Till the next time.